OSD setting. Enter OSD setting interface. Select the channel, which need to add OSD function. Then add logos, QR code and captions one by one. Add our logo. Select the logo from my computer. Then create OSD file. Apply. Adjust the position and size of the logo in the picture. QR code. Fill in the QR code URL. Click Create. Generate QR code. Adjust its position. Click Apply. Open the caption interface. Enter the text you need. Click Create and Apply. Let's use VLC to play the video and watch the OSD features. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and we'll keep updated.